Okay guys, welcome back. Everybody's keeping well. Doing plenty of time getting your boxes ready and early for the new season. And this one here may be one that you want to maybe throw a couple of wee sizes in. So I'm going to tie his whites Bach. Now the hook and the vise is a Kamasan B175 in size 10s. What I do is I tie them in 10s, 12s and 14s on the Kamasan on the straight shanks. If you go to the grub hook, something like Kamasan B110s, you can then go from sizes 8s, 10s, 12s, 14s, but look, use whatever hook you like and the sizes that you want to tie. The thread that I'm going to use is the uni thread, yellow and red. So I'm just going to come straight in behind the other hook and we'll just knock on a bit of thread here until we're down past the point of the hook. Just remove our waist tag. The tail and the throat on the fly is just some white hackle fibres. So just take a couple of pinches for the tail. Length of the tail, and again, say this all the time, it's really up to you guys, it's tying the fly. I just want my tail to be roughly the length of the body. 4 or 5 turns then heading down the shank of the hook to catch that in. Trim away the waist, the rib, Peacock herl. So a couple of turns. Then the body itself is just some gold holographic tinsel. Now, this isn't the most robust pattern in the world, but in my view, it has caught me some of the better browns, as in brown trout, so give it a wee go. Let me know how you get on. Right, just going to bring up the gold holographic. Let's just have a wee check here at the back. See where we are. And then we'll just work up the gold holographic in overlapping turns. Now you can also tie the fly just the exact same way, only change out your tail fibres for red game and your throat fibres for red game. Now, I'm just going to bring up the Peacock herl. The turns that you want to take is really up to you. I want to take 4 or 5 up the body to that point. Follow it around, I'm going to fold it back, break the remainder of the Peacock herl off, and then we're just looking at a wee touch of the white hackle fibres for the throat. So just take a couple of pinches of the fibres, just get them lined up in your hand, and then the length of the throat. Now, when I'm tying the Bach, I like the fibres to come back sort of way the length of the shank. We'll catch those in. Just have a wee check, make sure everything's sweet before you trim it away. That means good. Sweet means good. It's just a Belfast terminology there coming out of me. Then we'll just tidy up the head. And you want a decent head, so but what I'm going to do is I'm going to whip finish off first and come back and trim this away with a Glow Bright Floss number 3, which is the nice scarlet colour. Just run that through the wax, take off any excess wax at that point. Then we'll just finish off our head. Just tie up over the top, go in and trim away, and then just come in and throw in your whip finish, creating a nice shape to the head. Pull your floss tight, just take away any excess wax that's on the floss and trim that away. And there you go, guys, that's the white stall back. First coat onto the head, we drop the super glue just the whole way right round, just let that soak in. And then on this particular fly, I'll come in and put on 2 coats of varnish. Just clean the eye, give it a nice shiny head. Now to make it more robust, you could put on just a wee tiny drop of UV resin and light. I would sort of dab it off, just leave enough on to cure, and then bring the Peacock herl through. The fly has usually lasted me around about 3 to 4 fish. You do lose the rib in the herl, but the gold holographic body, it's pretty robust, so you can fish on with it. But I just wanted to show you it because it is a good pattern to have in your box, and change the colours of the heads. Have some in black, have some in glow bright floss, number 11, number 5, number 4, just to change the colours of the head up. And like I said at the start of the video, in the straight shank hooks, 10s, 12s, 14s for me, but you tie them to the size that you like for the waters that you fish. As always, guys, many thanks for taking the time to view the video. It's greatly appreciated. If this is the first time watching one of my videos, please consider subscribing. It just helps the wee channel grow. And until next time, please take care of yourselves and each other, and all being well, I'll catch you on the next one. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.